Here is an interesting exercise for you. You're going to enjoy this, I'm sure. All of us are in action all the time, some action or the other. Actually, the actions are verbs. Read what we have here. Action words are verbs. Yes. What action do you see here? Cycling. That's a verb. What is she doing? She is cycling. Action words are verbs. What is the action going on here? Eating. He is eating. What is the verb there? Eating. What is he doing here? Reading. He is reading. Action word. The verb is reading. Next. What's he doing? Drinking. He is drinking. That's the action. Okay, the verb is drinking. Here, sweeping. He is sweeping. Action word. Verb is sweeping. And here, what's he doing? Listening to music. Dancing. He's dancing. Or he's listening. Whatever. So today we are going to look at action words are verbs. You're going to enjoy the exercise. Let's look at our first picture. Look. What do we have here? Listen. Action words. Words that express actions. Performed by people, animals, or things are called action words. Action words are verbs. Let's look at our first action word. Look. Look at this little girl. She's sitting in the midst of whole lot of plastic balls. What's she doing? She is, what's she doing? Playing, yes. And smiling. She's playing, she's throwing, she's smiling. But we take the sentence as, the girl is smiling. The girl is smiling. Smiling is an action word. It's a verb. Let's look at our next picture. Look. What is this deer doing? This is a deer, lovely, pretty deer. Probably something is coming at the back to catch him, some animal. So the deer is running for life. Running. The action here is running. Who is running? Deer. The deer is running. So the action is running, and the word action word running is also a verb. The deer is running. Next. Let's look at our next action word. Look at this little girl. What is she eating? Broccoli. Broccoli. She's eating broccoli. Okay? Eating. This baby. What is this baby doing? The baby is eating. What is the action word here? Eating. Eating is a verb. The baby is eating. Good. Eating is a verb. Good. Let's look at the next action verb. Here. What is this? A duck. Okay. He's on the water and he's just gliding over the water. The duck is gliding, slowly moving over the water. That we call it gliding. The duck is gliding, moving gently over the water. So the word gliding is a verb, it's an action word. What is the action duck is doing? Duck is gliding. Good. Let's take a new picture. This little boy, he seemed to be very happy in the tub. Yes, splashing water, he's got a lot of toys with him. He's very, very happy. The boy is bathing. What is the boy doing? Bathing in the tub. Big smiles. The baby is bathing. Bathing is an action done by the boy. It's also a verb. What is the baby doing? Bathing. Let's take a new picture. What is the action that's going on here? Cheetah, the fastest running animal. He can climb trees, he can run very fast. Okay, what is the cheetah doing? The cheetah is running. Running is the action word here. It's a verb. What is the cheetah doing? Running. Be careful if you see a cheetah. Wow. Where do you see this animal? In the zoo? The jungle? Yes, very good. The cheetah is running. Running is an action word. It's a verb too. Let's look at our next verb. Look. Something is shining. Yes? What is it? The sun. Yes? Good. So, what is shining? The sun is shining. It is so bright, you can't see. What is shining? The sun. Shining is the action here. The sun is shining. It's a verb. The sun is shining. Where? In the sky. Yes, the sun is shining. That's a verb. That's the action done by the sun shining. Bright sun shining. Good. Let's go on to another new picture. Look at this man and this lady, this pair. Man and lady, two people are there. We call them a pair. What is the pair doing? They are dancing. Good. So they are dancing. Dancing is a action word, is a verb. The pair is dancing. The pair means two. Boy and a girl, man and a woman. The pair is dancing. Dancing is the action word. It is a verb. Good. Next, let's take a new picture. Here we are. What is this? Bull. There's one and another one here. Two bulls. What are they doing? Fighting. Yes? Okay, you have bull, big fat bull. The face is almost touching the floor. Terrible. Have you seen one like this? Good. The bulls are, what are they doing? Fighting. Fighting. The bulls are fighting. This one and this one together, fighting. Fighting is the action. Action word, it's a verb. Fighting is a verb. The bulls are fighting. Next, let's look at another picture. See what we have here. You have two men here. What are they doing? Boxing. What are they doing? What is the action? Boxing. It's a verb. That's the action that's going on here. What is happening here? What are they doing? They are boxing. The men are boxing. Boxing. So the gloves in their hand. The men are boxing is a verb. That's the action word. What are they doing? They are boxing. The men are boxing. They say, no, don't box each other. Let's go on to another picture. See here. What are these children doing? They have a ball here and lots of them. Football. They're playing football. Okay? So they're playing in the field, in the games field. The boys are playing. Look at the ball here, kicking the ball. Boys are playing. Playing is a verb. It's an action word. The boys are playing. Shall we take a new picture? Look. What is this little girl doing? What is the action? She got a towel. Hands are full of soap. Yes? She is washing her hands. When you go home, you have to wash your hands, okay? She is washing her hands. With what? With soap and water, and wipe it with a clean towel so that all the germs from the hand Go away. What is the action? Washing. Washing is an action, it's a verb. She is washing her hands. Very good. Let's take another picture. Look what we have here. Shh. Somebody is sleeping. And here's a teddy hugging onto teddy and sleeping. The boy is sleeping. Sleeping also is an action word. It's a verb. The boy is sleeping. Shh. The boy is sleeping. Good. So the action done by the boy is sleeping. Good. Let's go on to a new picture. What do you see? The picture of a sun. Early morning, if you look out through your window, you will see this. The sun is rising. Bright sun. Look at the colors. The sun is rising. Rising is an action. The sun is rising in the morning, then in the evening, sun will set. Sun is setting, we'll say. Here, the sun is rising. Verb, action word. A bright, beautiful, colorful the sun is. Yes, the sun is rising. Good. That is the verb, action word. Let's go on to a new picture. Look what you have here. The mouth is open. What are they doing? They are singing. Do you sing? Yes, they have a book here. Look at the words correctly. And these children, they are singing melodious songs. Yes, singing. All of them. Good. They are singing. Do you sing? Good. They are singing. Singing is an action word. It's a verb. Yes, they are singing. Good. Let's look at a new picture. This little boy, all by himself, he's got a lot of toys here, animals, and he's putting them into the bag. What is the boy doing? The boy is playing all alone. His friends are not there. The boy is playing. All the animals are here. The boy is playing. Playing is an action word. It's a verb. The boy is playing. Good. Let's look at a new picture. See what you have here. Huge, mighty ship. Where is the ship? The ship is in the water, in the sea. Now, the ship is sailing. Where does it sail? On the sea. Yes, the ship is sailing. Sailing is the action by this ship. It's moving on the waters of the sea and the ocean. The ship is sailing. That's a verb too. Good. Let's look at a new picture. Look. Look at the two kids here, very angry with each other. What are they doing? The kids are fighting. They're shouting and fighting. They're shouting at each other. Oh my, look at this. One is crying, one is boxing. The kids are shouting. Keep quiet, or both of them shouting at each other. The kids are shouting. What is the action? Shouting. That's a verb. The kids are shouting. Good. Shall we look at a new picture? Look. The full family is here in the swimming pool. What are they doing? They are bathing in the swimming pool. Very happy. Okay, they are bathing in the cool waters of the swimming pool. Bathing is an action word. It's a verb. They are bathing. Good. Let's go on to another verb. Look at the picture. Look at these kids. They are enjoying in the water, swimming under the water. They are very happy. The boys are swimming. What is the action here? Swimming. That's a verb. The boys are swimming in the water. Good. So you learned today action words are verbs. Good.